And what happened to you?
I was in a bit of an accident. But don't worry, I am still alive.
You should look after yourself better. You may not be so lucky the next time.
Why? I know that my chances of dying at a young age are low and only get bigger as I get older. We need to have fun when we are young.
That is not true. We could have a fatal accident at any time. Have you not heard of the Makeham law of mortality?
The what?
The Makeham law of mortality. It is a continuous function of mortality.
Now you have lost me. You are going to have to explain this to me cause I have no idea what you're talking about.
The Makeham law of mortality was named after William Makeham. His law states that mortality doesn't just get greater as you get older. There is a high rate of mortality at a young age because of the high rates of accidents. This is called the accident hump. Makeham's equation uses this accident hump in order to be able to work out the rate of mortality for different ages. This is represented by a constant term.
So are you telling me that I have a high chance of dying at a young age, but as I get older I don't have a greater chance of dying?
No, the Makeham model uses the accident hazard, but it also uses the hazard of aging too. It takes the Gompertz law of mortality and adds this additional constant term to allow for these accidental deaths. So the rate of dying still increases exponentially with age. There are graphs which represent this law and it shows the effect Makeham's take on mortality.
So you mean that I have a high chance of dying at a young age and my chances of dying increase as I get older? This is the worst Monday ever. First my accident, then this. What about my job as a crash test dummy? I am supposed to be testing monster trucks tomorrow.
I think that you may need to reconsider your career for the sake of your health. I hear that actuary is a safe choice for a job. You will be less likely to occur an accident in that job.
You know what? I might just look into that.